discussion. Maybe it has been the subject of discussion elsewhere and in another arrangement which has already been approved by Parliament. But all I can say for now is Kenya and the United Kingdom are cooperating to ensure that justice is done in that matter, because neither Kenya nor the United Kingdom condones injustice or impunity. And I think progress has been made, but I think that has not been the subject for discussion this morning. We'll be looking at closure very soon on the matter of the death of Ms. Wanjiru, which occurred some years back. And it's also part of perhaps what would happen when you have interactions. You expect a few unfortunate incidents, but the two countries are resolving the matter diplomatically, quietly, and also in the spirit of friendship and openness. And when the matter is concluded fully, we'll be able to report progress.
My name is Hassan Mugambi from Citizen TV. Of the agreed upon pointers, what is the implementation time frame?
Minister?
Well, may I just start by saying some of it has already started. The UK government is already supporting with 1.7 billion shillings a year counter-terrorism work in Kenya. This is a huge contribution to a very large effort by the Kenyan government. But it's a contribution that matters fundamentally to the British people, so that's why this investment is there. There's also development already ongoing in terms of maritime security, the work going on around Mombasa, and indeed in the sharing of procedures and techniques that we have been training each other and training ourselves with in the partnerships that we've developed over years. But the reality is, for many, many years, Kenya has been an important training area for the United Kingdom. We know that. What's now becoming the case is that Kenya is not just a training place, but a training partner. We're training each other.
One last one. Thank you very much, and thanks for coming. God bless Kenya, God bless the United Kingdom.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.